I wanted to film my school counseling office. I hope you guys enjoy seeing this. I had a hard time finding examples when I was looking online, so I thought I could add mine. I hope that you enjoy seeing my office and stay tuned. I'm working on more school counseling videos. This is my school counseling office. I am a counselor for grades 6, 7, and 8 in Ohio. I redid my office this year and I really, really like it. I had to buy my own furniture, but it was worth it because I really like the upgrades that I made. I got most of my furniture at Amazon, and then that's our flying squirrel. I like to have my students find the flying squirrel. It distracts them when they're upset enough to a lot of times get them to talk. There's our little reading nook, and then it's actually a door out of my office that we don't use. It's my little counseling area. My daughter did the artwork on the wall. And I have a little tea station, and then that is my bulletin board with confidentiality rules and our school schedule. This is where I have kids working during lunches, and other times they come in and see me. And that's our whiteboard that we use. And supplies, more supplies. I like to string my lights all over the place. The students love it. That's our little gnome. That is part of our reading station. And some pictures of my family and all my licenses.